Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Well, we have an interesting spring storm arriving today, which is actually going to provide a little bit of warming, actually a whole lot of warming across the area today as we're on the warm side of the storm initially, but it's not going to stay that way. The cold front's going to be barreling through our region late today, and with that, another more sizable batch of rain, even some thunderstorms. You can see that further back here to the west across the central Great Lakes area, and that's the stuff that's going to be arriving in here later this afternoon and getting into the evening hours tonight, and that will bring about another change temperature-wise as temperatures take a dip for the next couple days. But on Four-Wind Doppler this morning, I'm busy tracking some rain and even some thunderstorm activity. These white bolts that you see depicted here out to the southeast of the city, extending down into the southern tier, these have happened just within the past 5 minutes. So this activity is holding together. It's not powerful thunderstorm activity by any means. We're not talking severe weather here, but there may be some locally strong gusty winds associated with some of this stuff. In fact, even across the higher terrain and along the Erie Lakeshore this morning for a bit, we're going to be dealing with some wind gusts maybe up to 45 miles per hour. We're contending with much weaker wind speeds, at least across northern areas to begin the day. But you can see that further back here to the west, the rain is relatively scattered, and we're going to be in and out of this stuff today before that more widespread rain associated with the cold front arrives during the mid and late afternoon. Skyway shot, wet roadways out there, as Gordon just told you. It's not snowflakes coming down out there today. In fact, the temperatures are really going to be rising as we work through the day. At 8 a.m., we're going to be about 45 degrees, maybe 55, a little break in the precip maybe at noontime. In fact, some spots might be up around 60 as we get into the early afternoon. And then by 5 p.m., we start to cool down. The wind swings around to the southwest off the lake, so temperatures will probably start to drop a little bit here in the metro. And along with that, a chance of some more rain and maybe even some thunderstorms, too. Super Microcast is showing that to us. A little break. I don't think it's not going to be raining all the time today, but we have that more sizable batch of rain and thunderstorm activity arriving mid to late afternoon. So a chance of an evening thunderstorm. Then the rain will diminish overnight. And tomorrow, we're back into some more precip, but by then it's turning colder again. So we're dealing with a mixture of wet snow and rain showers across the region, which should diminish at least across northern sections in the afternoon. In fact, we might even sneak in a few odd breaks in the cloud cover from Buffalo north tomorrow afternoon. After starting the day on Wednesday with some limited sun, we have yet another batch of some scattered wet snow and rain showers developing across the areas. This unsettled pattern continues right into the middle of the week, and we cool our heels here for a couple days. Wet roadways out there everywhere, north and south, the QEW, the I-86, and also the main line east and west. Right now, 42 at Buffalo and Niagara Falls, 54 down here at Dunkirk. Check out Erie, 61 degrees. That warmer air is going to be pushing up into western New York today, 42 out to the east at Wellsville. Scattered rain and thunderstorm activity today, more widespread showers and storms arriving by mid to late afternoon, and rather breezy today, too. The high temps 55 to 60. For the overnight, evening thunderstorm, then rain tapering off later tonight, 36 to 40. Tomorrow, look for rain and wet snow showers tapering off across northern sections of the afternoon. Maybe some odd breaks in the cloud cover and cooler, 38 to 42. On Wednesday, limited morning sun, scattered rain and wet snow showers, 40 to 45 degrees. A drier day for Thursday, and then it turns unsettled again toward the end of the week, but at least the temperatures will be mild.